If you're thinking about buying Bestvibe, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know first. These insights could save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration, especially if you're weighing your options against some of the competitors out there. Stick around till the end because I'll give you a special offer you won't want to miss. First off, Bestvibe's interface is one of its strongest points. Unlike other products in this space that can feel clunky or confusing, Bestvibe really prioritizes user experience. It's smooth, intuitive, and easy to navigate, which makes getting started with the platform a breeze. When compared to other top competitors, Bestvibe is certainly one of the most user-friendly on the market. I've used quite a few similar tools, and Bestvibe's simplicity really sets it apart, especially when you're looking for something that doesn't take hours to figure out. Next thing, pricing. If you've looked at alternatives, you probably know some of them can get pretty expensive, especially when you factor in hidden costs or premium features that are locked behind paywalls. Bestvibe, however, offers a more transparent pricing model that gives you access to key features without draining your wallet. Plus, if you're unsure whether Bestvibe is right for you, the free trial is definitely worth trying out, and I'll tell you how to access that shortly. The third thing is their customer support. This is a huge deal because, let's be honest, everyone needs support at some point, whether it's for troubleshooting or just getting some help with setup. Bestvibe shines here as well. Their support team is responsive, and they actually know what they're talking about, unlike other services that can leave you stuck in a long queue or with a canned response that doesn't solve your problem. In my experience, this is a standout feature, and it's reassuring to know that help is just a few clicks away. Now the fourth thing. If you care about integrations, Bestvibe is ahead of the game. Whether you need to sync with popular tools or access third-party apps, Bestvibe has an impressive range of integrations that can make your life a lot easier. This flexibility is something a lot of competitors lack. Many tools can be limiting in this area, so it's great to see Bestvibe offer the kind of customization you may need to integrate with your existing workflow seamlessly. The fifth thing I want to highlight is security. In today's digital world, security can't be overlooked. Bestvibe offers top-tier security measures to ensure your data is safe, including encryption and two-factor authentication. When compared to some competitors, Bestvibe's security features really give you peace of mind. I've personally tested their security, and it's up to industry standards, which is a must when dealing with sensitive information. Next thing, updates. One of the things I love about Bestvibe is how often they push out updates. Not only do they continuously improve features, but they also listen to user feedback. A lot of other companies in this space promise regular updates but fall short. Bestvibe consistently shows that they're invested in making their product better and more useful for their customers. The seventh and final thing, if you're a business owner, you'll appreciate how scalable Bestvibe is. Whether you're just getting started or managing a larger operation, Bestvibe is designed to grow with you. Their tools adapt to your needs, and you won't have to switch to another service as you expand, which can be a hassle with many other tools out there. This kind of scalability is essential, and Bestvibe nails it. If you want to try out Bestvibe for yourself and get some exclusive benefits, click the first link in the description below. You'll get the best free trial available, so you can experience everything it offers without any commitment. Make sure to check it out now, and don't miss out on this great deal.